Okay, this is Joe Trader. We are watching. Yes, we took some trades here. We're hoping for a push higher. Unfortunately, I've been stopped here. You can watch it on the previous video, the pre-market clearing. And at the moment, we are pumping higher at the open. Let's have a look what Nasdaq is doing. So Nasdaq is doing. This is Nasdaq. This is actually Nasdaq. Nasdaq is already pumping. Sorry, ES is pumping. Nasdaq is holding here. It's behind. I don't understand what was the drop. They just wanted to rob people from yesterday's trading because we've been kind of pumping yesterday. They wanted to grab this liquidity. They wanted to grab that liquidity, obviously, and we pushed down there. So we had that there was this drop. We had this leg of manipulation, and we had displacement. We came back into this area for a fair value gap at the open, and we took off immediately higher. So the market is basically taking that move back, and I would like to get on that. First 5 minutes, 15 more seconds on this 5-minute candle. We saw the Nasdaq. Let's go see the open today. I wanted to take that. This is clearly a drop looking lower. Not sure here. Drop before. I just wait. trying to understand the whole concept. Been trading overnight up here. A lot of liquidity. Let's just go there, I think. Nasdaq is looking better to buy. It's behind. It's very bullish. But I just don't want to chase this here. If I put something like that up here, this will become a bull breakup and then go up. And this range will always break. So the buy is off that level here, or maybe lower, will be okay. Will be a bullish breakout model. We do have liquidity here. We have to take this high first. I would say we have to take at least this high. $42. A little pullback. to be honest, even like that. Something like that. The question is, are they going to pump this straight away? So there's a gap, obviously. This is high, and we open here. We go to my could fade this thing probably low selling price to grab all those. And then continue higher. That's pretty much the plan. So I'm going to move this here. Get it drop to 49. Will be a got some trap people here, obviously. It was one of my trades somewhere here. Yeah, we should drop to the open. That's 4 points. Definitely here. Let's have a 15-minute candle here. Yeah, just waiting. we do that. If we push above, then that is pretty much bullish breaker, somewhere here. Actually, I had this. All right, pushing to the side through this 15. Jumping. Looks like going to the straight. Depends on what I mean, the main chunk of liquidity is going to actually bring this as the main chunk of liquidity on the volume profile. Tough. Tough situation, to be honest. What man? We go short here. into this value gap. Reason with it displaced on the 5 minute displacement 5 minute range, all out here. And we took the 15-minute candle, and this one as well. Actually, gonna this one. And this one as well, and that one. We pushed into the volume profile. Sorry, view up the second time, and this is basically 15 minutes really sweet. So we have entry for towards market going down since Asia. It just makes sense to put short. They will try to grab the downside. Just remove that. I can see. Yeah, the was here. So most likely we'll get there. Perhaps lower. I have only one contract. Oh, no, that doesn't look too good now. If we go higher, I need to take the loss. Got 4 more minutes to push higher. Okay. Still 4 minutes. Okay, so initially it was correct. Initially we were correct with the short, but closer we get to the full hour, the more probability that we're going to push through that hour closes here. Not happy with this short anymore. Minus 75, it's fine. Initially we've been in the profit, but I was thinking we might push lower first. Looks like they're gonna go and attack the top. Let them attack the top. And probably just gonna displace. Okay. The queue is pulling down maybe. I think we should push into this high. Equal highs here. Yeah. 10 p.m. Go long. I don't know when my order will be placed, but I'm got long. If I went long here, I would have closed somewhere. Now I'm skip. Almost. Alright, push it. So you can push it down. It should displace. Yeah. Come on. What happened? I didn't touch it at all. But I think we made some money. $212. Alright. I'm gonna close this thing because alright, so we have this displacement finally. We pushed it through that 15. Now the question is, are they going to continue up here into yesterday's high to take everybody out? Like we were drawing that. Took a bit of buy side here, which is great. Nasdaq is behind. We could push into the 71, yesterday's high. And probably higher. Yeah. Okay. Could be a good place to pull it down now. The problem is that Nasdaq is behind. Just watching Nasdaq on my phone. Nasdaq has got space to go higher, to basically sell into this similar structure. I've been long. Let's stop here on that little wick. Somewhere here. 45. 20 points, man. Took a couple of longs in the pre-market here as well. Made some, I don't know, so I think I was just gonna break even. Took some losses on the way down. So I've been buying here. It does look like they want to push into this yesterday's high. And knowing that Nasdaq is behind, can just continue high and do that displacement. And come down into this area and push it. It's Friday today, so tick trend dropping. Just waiting, really. Waiting to see two things. If we're gonna push higher into that yesterday's high, I want to short that because of this liquidity here, which is trapped. If I pull back into this breakout, breaker block, basically, that's the breaker block. This one here, that's a breaker block. Pretty much all the way. We had a similar story, maybe not on 15 minutes, 1 minute, but yesterday. It's a difficult way of trading today because we dropped a lot. Now we just came back. We retraced this whole move. Take chart showing a less interest on the buy side. I mean, I would assume that market should, once we displaced, should get a proper displacement, and we didn't get a proper displacement. That's the problem. That's not enough. That little, all the bodies are even closing here. Something tells me should go short here, as we will probably pull lower. I'm gonna take that trade. I think whoever was shorting it from overnight, there was a reason for that to go down there. And we did displace a little bit by looking at the candles just closing lower. A 50-minute candle. It's a rejection pretty much. So whoever was short here, they took them out. And now we can collapse. I'm gonna add into that. I'm gonna add into this. This is not a real displacement, and it's like a fake out pretty much. That's what I see. If it's fake out, that means we're gonna go lower. That's how I see it. I don't know. That's how I see this. Might be wrong. Maybe I'm forcing a trade right now, but something tells me this is not right. We did sell. That's good. We sold into this 15-minute candles and this one as well. And this one as well. We have a fair value gap up here. Market was going down. No reason to buy this at the moment. And break into this view up. Now I'll just take one off here. I'm gonna hold the rest. Just test this view up. Okay, so we have 15 minutes in 1 minute, right? In 1 minute we'll have a 15-minute candle. That will be the top of this candle. We took that already. We took that already. I'm actually going to, yeah, we're just tapping into this trap liquidity, but they've been taken out with this push higher. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just mark the 15-minute candle here, top. It looks like failure, displacement failure. That's how it looks to me. And We'll see if I'm right. We'll see if I'm right. And then I try to go and push for this 15 now into this yesterday's high. Obviously, I can do that. And Q just as yeah. And Q hasn't displaced. I don't know. This might actually push now higher into to grab this 15-minute candle, and they're gonna push into yesterday's high. Oh yeah. Oh yes. Unfortunately, I will be stopped. Alright, I'm gonna get out here for minus 260. I'm gonna go long. For push into at 15-minute top. Possibly yesterday's high. Yeah. So what we're gonna do, still bullish basically. That's what we're gonna do. Change mind. I think they're gonna attack this yesterday's high now. I should close one here just to be sure. There we go. I got one. And two and through yesterday's high. Think on the button. Let's see if we're gonna get a push. And to be honest, I want to be shorting this. The moment we get there, I want to be short as well. It was a good flip here. Has to go now, basically. Or stop loss break even. We just wait with that a little bit. Yeah, I should get that push here. Thank you. Alright, okay, so let's have a look what we have done here. So we took a loss of minus 262 and we are covering, so plus 100. Difficult, very difficult to trade this because look at this move. Just keep going up without any pullback. Pullbacks are very, very shallow. I like the drop. We didn't take this to this high. I'm gonna buy it again. Buy it one more time. I don't want to push into this high second time. I'm buying basically out the trap liquidity here because of and the fact that we have not pushed through yesterday's high. That's the main reason. We can pull a little bit lower, but we need to sell into that. I think I'm gonna add market is in this kind of bullish mode. I mean, this can work pretty well. I will do two things. I'm gonna sell one here. And we can hold the other one for the push here. There's a volume profile, so I can see a bit of volume. They could go and grab that. They could push into the volume. So just a tick before. And but the main goal is here. The main target is here. We'll see. Yeah, pulling already. Yeah, they should buy that. Very good. Got 7 more minutes. We can do. I'm gonna take one off, just in case they're gonna go and dip in it one more time. We can add lower. Good. We still have 6 minutes. Yeah, so I'm gonna go and hit a second one if we drop lower. Yeah, you see this projection, but we didn't take that high. That's the thing, that I'm not playing that yet. And yeah, maybe we'll go and just pull this a little bit. All right, we're in with the second position. Let's see now. to get that push into the highs. 5 more minutes. Liquidity has not been taken yet. It just matched liquidity. So I want to see a push. Four more minutes. Three more minutes. We had some people, when we pushed through that, we had some people shorting this, not getting out. They had opportunities to get out here in this area. Should continue higher to sell into the system is high. I'm not going to be too greedy. I'll just go with one here because I have two contracts. So I'm going to have one here. Waiting for the push into yesterday's high. Take shot below 0 line. Two more minutes on this candle, so the last minute of this 5-minute candle can end up here, and then can go. Time is important. 1 more minute. 1 more minute. Very important moment right now. Oh shit, I got too close. Very important moment. Whether we're gonna push higher or just dump. 20 seconds. Created further gap. Bearish. Let's go, baby. There's a reward up there at 71, waiting. I don't like it. I don't like it. That's better. You've been trading 1 hour from the open. We didn't have a pull again. But there's this high waiting. Nikkei is leading now. Yes, it's just kind of behind. Not great, not great, not great, not great. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. I was just struggling. Okay, maybe they just needed to pull a little bit more. I'm gonna grab it one more time, and we'll see. Just probably just wanted to collect all of that liquidity. They grabbed the 15-minute candle bottom, right? Yeah, 15-minute bottom candle was here. But I took that earlier than that. That's a mistake. As you can clearly see, I mean, there's a chance that we're gonna bounce because they have grabbed a lot of liquidity. Maybe they just want a deeper retracement to collect more. That's a proper retracement to collect more, and then we're gonna go. But if we break this view up, I'm out. I'll take that loss pretty much. Yeah, I have to. Yeah, maybe even like 1,000 somewhere here. Still bullish, right? So I have to get out here pretty much. But if we push through that and start pumping, we're going to end up very fast up there. So, like that. I like the fact that they collected this liquidity. So yesterday's high is waiting, still waiting. They have not pushed through that. That's the only reason why I'm holding that. Because I know they want to sell into, they want to trigger stop losses up here. They just wanted to go a bit lower to grab more liquidity. What we could do, we could sell a bit so we lighten up on this. Yeah. I have to do things before I say. But it looks like they want to get that 15 minutes looking pretty decent. 6 minutes, 10 minutes, we will be there. In the 15 minutes, we'll start to push higher. Tick chart above zero line. So let's just hold this. This is bullish open. We were 100%. Inventory was 100% short. Problem is that we can still go to this view up, dip in there, and then we're gonna go. So we'll have to withstand a lot of heat. Yeah. One of my rules is like the moment we get in there, when I was trapped, I'll have to get out. Sometimes I just get greedy and I don't do that. And this is what happens. Okay. Okay. Now we took the view up second time and we should push higher. So like I said, taking this out here would have been a good idea. But still bullish. They want to go higher. I'm just going to sell something. I'm going to sell 2. If we get there. Ten more minutes. I had second time to get up. Second time I was able to get up. Break even. All right, okay. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna hold this. It's gonna hold this. I I do think we're gonna go higher. This is 15-minute candle up here. Just need to hold and wait. Here's a low volume node. God damn it. Ah, I hate this. Was able to get out twice for break even. And that's my wild rules that I constantly break. Constantly break these rules. Overstay my welcome. And we have been talking about, shorting from somewhere here because of heat, and because of not having any pullback. The market needs to go and grab those longs. And let's see what I'm doing. 3 more minutes. Just switch this to RTH. Two more minutes. A 15-minute candle is here. There you go. Third time the chart. Last 2 minutes. Let's go, baby. You know you want it. The grub, they collected a lot. I know I'm gonna close two. Don't want to be too greedy again. Just want to close two here. And see. One more minute. And now we're gonna have 15-minute down here. And they can go lower, unfortunately. Bruh. Third time, I'm gonna hold it for the third time. Mistake. That's a mistake. Okay, we're going short. We're going short for the drop into that. Let's see. Buy. We'll be fine. And who knows how far we're gonna go? Maybe even somewhere here. I changed my mind. I mean, like I said, I should have gone out twice when I had an opportunity. Now it looks like that, just pulling lower. Decided to just grab something on the way down. We will have macro in 2 minutes. So let's see what they're going to do. Let's see what they're going to do. Might go even down here. God damn it. There we go. Stop loss here. Lovely. Beautiful. I'm going to go long. Now I'm going to go long. We have collected this 15 minutes as well. It's opening price here. We have 49 on 1 minute till macro. Let's get in a second time. So we managed to, changing mind. We took what, $500, and then we lost 800 on them. So just minus 300. The idea was good to switch stance. Let's see now. That was proper drop. And it's a quick dip. That's what I'm counting on. It's a quick dip, and we're just gonna go on that. This is the opening price. It basically dropped into this fair value gap. Look at this volume as well, like how they grabbed in volume. Not a lot of volume below that. This is quick push. This is the volume. Volume area low. Nice push up there. Back into VWAP. I'm gonna close one contract here just to grab something. And we have this macro going on right now, right? So let's see. Let's see if this yesterday's high will be hit finally. I got a 15-minute combo. So timing, this was I had an opportunity to get out twice for break even, and they decided to play it a bit longer and grab more. I pretty much every single day market will go and try to grab main liquidity. That was the main liquidity. If you look at it closely, that was the main liquidity here. This whole thing. There's not much more there. This is the opening price, and now I'm expecting the market just to pump higher, pump. Simple like that. Simple as this. Lovely. They robbed everybody. You can just close that. This wasn't playing. It wasn't important. It's just volume profile really. It's 400 in my hands. But I know they will eventually climb back up there. And we might go even higher to London. So I'm thinking to add we just closed one, right? We had to close because you never know how market's going to react at the VWAP. Now when we pushed, we're coming back to VWAP. I'm just gonna add more, and I'm gonna hold it. I don't think we're gonna just collapse now. I don't think we're gonna collapse. I think market is ready to rip. We switch to 1 minute now, so I can see that. Okay. I like that. I like this. Might be a little bit too heavy, to be honest. But one leg, buyers are stepping in. Got 4 more minutes. That's a 15-minute candle on top. There's another one up there. Let's just add that. That was basically volume profile high. We'll see. Okay, I'm gonna take one off. Just to be a little bit lighter. You need to crack through this VWAP now and pump higher. Yeah. So that leg is a manipulation leg. We didn't have displacement yet, but if we displace up here, we're gonna go up there. Yeah, I don't care about this VWAP anymore. This VWAP is just destruction. It's the liquidity which is important. Two more minutes and we'll know which way. They have collected a little bit of liquidity here. The main liquidity they took from RTH. And this price to come back up here to volume profile high, break that, attack these highs, and then push into yesterday's high. That's it. One minute left. Could go lower. Could go lower. Yeah. Let's get one out, just in case. Just in case. We will drop. Alright, now we're gonna see which way. Can drop lower again if they want to. But still thinking that they have collected. They have collected. Have collected. I mean, it has to go now. From here, so should start to push up there. Hmm. Okay, I'm out. Don't like it. I don't see. I don't see what I want to see. It's very congestion, and they're gonna probably flash it one more time. I think they're gonna flash it one more time to the downside. It's 11 o'clock. They will flash into these lows, and then they're gonna buy. So this is fair value gap here. Don't know why my indicator is not showing that. Okay, so what happened today? We didn't make any money on this. We made 131, 231. It's 360, 360, 600, 900. We lost here 100 plus minus. Okay, let's say 300 here. It's just, to be honest, it's, yeah, it looks like today's 15th, 16th, so pretty much break even day. It's just break even day, really. Okay, well they didn't go along. It looks more bullish. I still want this yesterday's high to be taken. The problem is how we're gonna go there. Are we gonna go through this? Let me just close this. Are we gonna go through a drop and then go up? Test the opening price. There's always this thing about buying into pushing market higher without a proper pullback. And we didn't have the pullback. If you look at it, this 15-minute wasn't taken, this wasn't taken, this wasn't taken until we started to drop, and then they took one, two, one, two, and three, and we dropped into that. It looks like could go, but this is just 1 minute. I don't like to watch it. Stuff on 1 minute. Four past five. I took that 5 minute out. Pull it down now to collect the bottom. Come on, switch. Okay. Shit, I didn't want to switch this one to one. Yeah. They have collected a lot of liquidity on here. That doesn't mean they're not gonna go lower to grab second time. It's just fooling around. Yeah, I think this is it. At the end for me today. I don't know. I think let's just drop. So I think we can go and collect that. Stop loss needs to be here. That's it. And obviously higher because this is where everybody's got stop loss. But I don't think we're gonna get there. We took that high. Yeah. Yeah, they did grab that thing down here. This is so choppy. I don't know. Just bad. Around POC, trading around POC. It's 5 minute, the last minute on the 5 minute candle. You have this 15-minute candle here, the bottom of it. I have to take something out the moment you're in profit. Come on. What I think, once they took that, they should have gone. They should have gone up. Oh, no, they're not going up. They're just basically sitting there. So something tells me we're gonna get down there again. You know how we're gonna do this? I think they're gonna test that low again. The second time we break, might go even lower. But I don't want to overstay my welcome. 10 past. Okay, I'm gonna cover one here. Just to pay myself a stop loss. And that's it. We got this 15-minute candle, so yeah, Yeah, we have to take that 15-minute bottom. That's 4 minutes. Well, if we take that, then basically target is here. So now I have to be like that. The reason why I'm shorting this is once we took that, we shouldn't chop around here like that. We should just rip. We should just rip up there because we're just chopping around. It's like, dude, you got the liquidity, right? What are you waiting for? Take the liquidity up there and sell into all the shorts we're shorting this. And they're not doing it. They're not doing that. They're not doing this. That's the reason why I'm sitting in the short. It just took too long to go. It's supposed to fly. And I've been long here, right? But it didn't do it. I mean, yeah, it did push a little bit, but they had that 15-minute liquidity here. But they didn't use that. If you push into it, use this, trigger stop losses. Push into this one. There's another one out there. Just cascading up, 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 and boom. And end up at yesterday's high and above into London high. And they're not doing that. See, they're sitting here, not doing anything. And we have 2 more minutes. We have another 15-minute candle here. In 2 more minutes. Are they going to use that? Just cascade? I don't know, man. I don't think so. I think we're going to go and grab that low first, because they're accumulating, and then we're going to drop to the bottom. Here's another 15-minute candle. I'm going to leave this, leave that. I'm going to leave this 15-minute candle stops for later. So stop loss needs to be above, really. So once it's triggered, they're going to go for this. So that's it. I'm going to add into that. Yes, they are leaving this cascade of stop losses up here. I'm going to have another one there, down here. 15 post? Is it 15 post? Yeah, it's 15 post. Yeah. So it's just a chop, really. There's the first 15-minute bottom below. The market could go to draw that liquidity. I can close one here. And, see that? I see that, Larry? That's from Picklebowski. This is what happens when you try. You know what? If you don't know, you can go and check on YouTube. Big Lebowski. Come on. Okay. I'm gonna grab one here, just in front of it, in case they have a plan to front run that thing. Stop loss break even. What? Why do I have two contracts? Don't understand. I just closed one, right? I just closed one. No. I'm pretty sure I pressed the button here. It looks like I didn't. Come on, baby. Drop. Alright. It's not doing it. Yeah, that's the problem. You wanted to close, they didn't close it. God damn it. Come on, push this fucking thing, man. Right, I'm gonna move this elevator. Alright, we got one out. We took the liquidity, but this liquidity is not that important. It's just 150 million. I think they're gonna go and hit that thing at the bottom. It's just not gonna go. It means they didn't go on that drop on grabbing the liquidity. They didn't go higher. They didn't go into the yesterday's high. So we'll probably slide down here. It's just chop, chop, chop. Well, I just have to close, man. Yeah, I'll Vista Malika. Now we can go and grab the 15-minute on the top. Who knows? I mean, these 15-minute liquidities are too close. The moment they're gonna hit that, they're gonna hit this one. There will be like a avalanche and stop losses, upwards. I don't think the market is ready to do that. They still want to accumulate a little bit more, create more liquidity, grab the liquidity, maybe drop through this 15-minute candle in 18 minutes. They could do that because we're kind of grinding lower. When you look at that, it's just like I said, they had an opportunity to push higher on this candle here. They wanted to go. That was the time to go. What are we doing with the stop loss now? Maybe stopped slightly. Two more minutes on this candle. Yeah, it's just too close. We'll probably hit on that thing. They're trying to push higher. Might pop above this, create a high here, and turn around. That would not surprise me if they did that. Yeah, it's gonna go higher. No, let's just close. I'll probably go and take that 5, another 5, but they're not gonna go 15. So I might just try one more entry here, just about the 5, somewhere here. I don't think they're ready to go higher. It's 11:24. He could push through this liquidity and that liquidity, not gonna lie, and turn around. I could do that. Especially that we have this volume here. Anyway, we'll break even. We took these two trades, I think. 510, maybe even this one, like a $300 on a day. Nevertheless, it's a green day. I'm gonna finish. It's Friday, guys. Protect your cash. Protect your cash. Anyway. See you tomorrow. See you on Monday, actually. Have a nice weekend.